Good people all this Christmas time, consider well and bear in mind what our good God.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Here's a small men's gift idea that uses our Yardley charcoal activated soap as well as the charcoal infused exfoliators. I've prepared these into the small plastic gift bags and think that these have turned out very, very nice. These will make lovely gifts for men that are inexpensive and add volume to your tables for these craft fairs. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
Good people all